In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add 1099-R on TurboTax. Before we jump in, a quick refresher. Form 1099-R reports distributions from retirement accounts like IRAs, 401ks, pensions, and annuities. Have your 1099-R handy so you can match details as you go. Things like the payer's name, the gross distribution, any taxable amount, withholding, and the distribution code. Accuracy here helps TurboTax calculate your taxes correctly. Once you're signed in to TurboTax Online and in your return, move your mouse over the income menu. Hovering here opens the income topics so you can find the right section quickly. From the list, choose the wages and income summary. This brings you to the main hub for all income types, including retirement distributions. In the income categories, look for retirement plans and Social Security and select it. This is where TurboTax groups pension, IRA, and Social Security items, so everything related to retirement income stays organized. Next, choose IRA, 401k, pension plan withdrawals, 1099-R. That's the specific path for adding a 1099-R. Selecting this tells TurboTax you're about to enter a retirement distribution. Click Start to begin the 1099-R section. This opens the guided workflow designed to gather what the IRS expects from your form and set up any follow-up questions based on your situation. When prompted, click Yes to confirm that you received a 1099-R. This ensures TurboTax shows you the right entry screen and options for importing or typing your information. You'll then see the option to look up your provider by name or browse suggestions. Type part of your retirement plan or financial institution's name and select the best match. If your provider supports secure import, TurboTax can pull your 1099-R details directly, saving time and reducing typos. If an import is available, follow the on-screen prompts to connect. Be ready to verify your account for security. If your provider doesn't appear or import isn't offered, you can continue without importing and use the information from your paper or electronic 1099-R to complete the fields manually. As you proceed, keep an eye on key items from your form. The gross distribution and any taxable amount should match your 1099-R. Withholding, if any, will reduce what you may owe. The distribution code drives how it's taxed, such as early distributions, normal distributions, rollovers, or conversions, so be sure it matches exactly. If your form includes state information, have that available as well. That's it. By following these steps, you've started your 1099-R entry the right way in TurboTax and set yourself up for accurate results.